I've always been the type of person who just has to be outside, even if it's just for a few minutes each day. I find that I'm able to draw so much inspiration from my surroundings. Of course, I understand that some routine is essential, requiring us to be in the same place every day. That's a given. But on the other hand, if the project can be effectively completed in a more inspiring, picturesque, and relaxing setting, that's always going to be my number one choice. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at an easy mobile whip making setup where you can work on your whips virtually anywhere.
Well, hello everyone, it's Nick with the Whip Shop, and today we are out in the beautiful fields on the outskirts of Morocco, Indiana. And as you can see, I have a beautiful sunset behind me, and this is what I love to do, guys. This is what it's all about for me. This is 75 or 76 degrees here, and it's like mid-November, which is just unheard of. I can hear some crickets chirping in the background. It's just fantastic. I want to show you guys my mobile whip making setup that allows me to do this. Firstly, I want to mention behind camera number 2 over there is my friend Ben David, who is an artist. Make sure to check out his YouTube channel. He's got some great stuff over there. He's a painter and a photographer. So this here is a metal sawhorse by the company Tomax. This thing's great. I've been using it for a while now, a little over a year. The way these legs are, you can adjust the height. So if you prefer to make whips while you're standing, all you do is you just unscrew these little wing nuts here, and then you can raise all 4 legs and make it more of a standing work table instead of sitting. So that's something really nice. The second tool that I'm using that enables me to work on a whip anywhere in combination with this sawhorse is this wonderful little clamp here. This thing is just great. As you can see here on the bottom, it has kind of a C-clamp action right there. And anything that will fit inside of those jaws enables me to clamp it anywhere I want. This sawhorse doesn't have any thickness really underneath here, so what I like to do is take this little piece of wood, and it just allows me to clamp it on without having to tighten it all the way until this gets to the thinness of the or the same thickness of the sawhorse top. So we'll just spin that in, and that looks good. And there we go. The top of it is a ball joint, so I can position this thing any way I want. I can go flat, I can go down, I can change the angle. And a really beautiful thing about this particular clamp is that, I'll just take this out for a second, I can change it like this. So this is a beautiful thing because some whips, you have to do a flat braid. If I wanted to do a wrist loop, there we have it. I'm ready to go, all set to braid a flat wrist loop. And that's something really nice. When I'm done with that, all I have to do is unscrew this, or loosen it, I should say. Boom, there we are, back to the vertical position. Tighten that up. And there we go. I can grab my whip again in progress. And it goes. And I'm ready to go once again. I'm ready to continue plaiting my whip. If you look off on the right side here, I have 2 magnetic hooks. This just allows me to hang my little bag here. I have all my tools in. As you can see, these are, believe it or not, magnets. And they are extremely strong. So I've really been enjoying using these. Pliers, of course I have my tape measure. I've got my torch. Just everything that is used. Got some hockey tape there, some binding material, some markers. It's all an arm's reach away. And if it's too closed up, maybe you have a bag that has a little bit wider grips, that's okay. We just move this over here and widen things up. If this thing is getting into my work area, that's okay. I take this magnet off. I can even put it over here temporarily to get things out of the way. So that's really nice. So this is the bag that I'm using as kind of my general whip tools and materials container. Very portable. So you can see I have here some nylon thread. We open it up. We can see in here also quite a mess at this moment. Hopefully you guys can just get a general idea. At the end of the day, or at the beginning of the day, I'll oftentimes find this secondary bag in here. You know, I have it in here, I zip it up, and everything fits in here very well, actually. Just compact it down a little bit. Normally I would have a 2x4 about this long with a strip of my neoprene rubber. I forgot to put it in here today, but that's what I'll use to roll my whips when I'm out at the park or whatever. And it all folds in here very nicely. And also this has a zipper on it too. This has a little Velcro on it. I can just close things up when I need to. But this is the main carry bag for all of my stuff. As I mentioned earlier, a lot of places where I like to work on whips don't have a place to sit. So a simple camping chair that's lightweight, aluminum construction, folds up really easily. This is what I'll oftentimes bring with me. But any foldable chair will do. The nice thing about this is if I have everything packed in here, given I'm not carrying too much parachute cord with me, this chair will kind of fit on top of this, and then I'll kind of attach these straps. One goes in the other, and the magic of Velcro does its thing, and there we have it. I can carry my chair with all of my supplies, and on the other hand, I can carry the whole folded up metal sawhorse. That's great. Beautiful little Learjet just flew over. If you happen to find yourself working in a dark alley one night with views less than desirable, I have a solution for you guys. On the left-hand side here, you may have noticed this little Leven tablet / cell phone holder that I have stuck right onto the clamp. It doesn't interfere with the clamp closing whatsoever. And the beautiful thing about this is included with the little magnet, they give you this little round steel disc that you can slap on the back of your phone case or directly to the phone itself. So I can put on some of my favorite YouTube channels, hit play. I could put on a documentary. I can put on a video call with some friends that are in another state. I slap that phone right there, and as I work on my whip, as I plait, I glance over and I can watch my movie. That's kind of nice if your views are not particularly beautiful, like this alley. Well guys, I want to thank you so much for stopping by and watching today's video. I hope you are inspired to get out there and work on whatever you're working on in nature. Go to a different place if you can. Go surround yourself by beautiful scenery. And as I mentioned in the beginning, I understand that there are a lot of careers and crafts and trades and art forms that don't allow you to work on them in an outside environment. I understand that. But if you have the opportunity to do so, do it. Do it. I can't tell you how much inspiration I've drawn from being able to work on whips in an environment like this, where I can stop plaiting for a second, look up and just see the beautiful full moon rising up like it is right now. The moon is rising on the beautiful lake. So if you have the opportunity, try it. You're going to be able to draw a lot of inspiration from your surroundings in nature. Now, a lot of the tools that I used in today's video, particularly the fold-out sawhorse and the whip clamp, some of the bags and tools, are available in the description as what we call affiliate links. It'll take you to Amazon, and if you use those links, I get a small percentage of each sale. So if you use that, that'd be awesome. If not, I understand too. So that being said, I want to thank you all for watching. I'm going to be doing a lot more videos like this in nature. Let me know what you think. If there's a place you want me to go and work on a whip, let me know in the comments section. If you guys like this video, please do consider hitting that subscribe button. It really helps the channel. It helps what they call the YouTube algorithm, where this video and all the others will be out in the open for new viewers to see. And YouTube will recommend this video to like-minded people. So if you do that, that'd be awesome. Share it with your friends, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I just finished filming this alley scene and I found some fresh cookies.